Hey guys, we have not talked in a long time. Let me just pause my music real quick. Alright, what is up guys? So we've been working hard trying to get this format right. We had this first customer ask us to do a custom one and we were like, sure, we'll take it on. Just to try it out and see how it works. It's been difficult, but we got it. We got it down. I'm pretty sure we just have to cut it and see if it's as perfect as we want it. But let me show you it. Guys, I'm so excited. I've been trying to get this down for a week and a half, something like that. It's been stressful, but we did it, okay? We did it. Flash of Mom! We have a new segment called Flash of Mom. Okay, so here is the layout. It's kind of confusing to look at, but these are her initials, I believe. And then we have our little logo. Okay, is that focusing? Yeah, we have our little logo right there. That's where the punch will punch. And so it'll just, since we have their initials down here, we didn't want to put we didn't want our logo, we wanted our logo to be in there, but not take over the spotlight. So we did that on all the sides. And as you can see, this is the dot format. And we really had to make sure, we had a big problem with bleeds. So we had to make sure that everything kind of lined up exactly how we wanted it. But yeah, so we got it. It took so long, but I'm so happy that we got it. But just to chat a little bit, we're doing a lot. We just got this little rolling cart thing. You definitely can't see it in this view. I wonder if no, that didn't work. If I bring it closer? No, that's great. You just can't see it. So here is the rolling cart. It's just really nice for when we have to bring paper from the printer to over there to be cut and that kind of thing. So we got that. That's super nice. I'm trying to show you some new fun things that we got. Something else that we just got are these adorable little doormats. So here are the cute little doormats we got. For outside, we got this one that just says hello. Cause super cute. And then for inside the door, we just got this one, just a basic little foot mat. We've always having to wipe our feet off, cause sometimes it's wet outside. So we wanted to get that. Is there anything? Oh, we got these cabinets for organizing things. They're really cool. So basically we just have our paper sitting down there. We have some finished products sitting there, randomly a tissue box. These little guys are going to be really nice for when we have tissue paper and all of the little things that we need to organize. So in here we have our little sticky notes. We put these sticky notes, here, I'll show you. We put these sticky notes right inside. So we have one sticky note for right inside our paper. We have another one that goes further into the book. I think it says, yeah, right here. We have the time to reorder one, so that's super cute and super fun. And yeah, we have a bunch of those back there. Then those are just stickers for our stickers. I think that's everything new that we got so far. You know, we're still trying to put this workshop together. So yeah, we kind of have everything. This is our little punch that we're using right now. It's so small. But the thing that my phone is resting on is our actual punch. It's humongous. But yeah, we're excited. It's exciting. Mom's actually on a call for our website right now. So I just came out to figure out all this stuff. You know, gotta always be making videos for our next vlog. Go check out our TikTok. Our Instagram. I think our TikTok has one post on it right now. Our Instagram has nothing on it right now, but it will soon have stuff. We just have to get everything kind of sorted out in here and figure out just figure everything out when it comes to the business, and then we can really nail down and focus on social media, because I mean, I've been saying for a long time, we gotta get social media, but there's just a lot, you know, me and my mom have 2 different editing styles, so it's like kind of difficult to go, for me to think, okay, what is her mind thinking, and then go with that. So it's just a little difficult for that reason, but we're doing good, and I'm excited to make some more TikToks. But yeah, so I think that's about it for the update today. You'll see, actually, today's Thursday. One of our vlogs went live today, and I have to make one for next week, so gotta get that going. But go check out my YouTube channel. It's Maddie, Virginia, and I've been posting an entire series based on starting a business, and so it's been really fun. It's season 1,